Hey guys, it's your girl Nolo. So a lot of people have been asking me about my brows. Just gonna show you guys how to get you started on your eyebrow journey, with just using two things. It's gonna be right, short and simple and to the point. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna take your eye pencil. I like the color brown because it looks more natural on me because I have really light eyebrows. So you're gonna start off with the little strokes a little bit further from your natural brow, and then you're gonna go from the front to the back of the brow, little strokes, and this gives you that control over how long or how short, or even get the shape right, the shape of your brow right, and it will look more natural when you do that. Yeah, so you do that for the top as well, and it also helps getting the shape right at the arch of your eyebrow. And then you're gonna start filling in the direction of your natural brow, of your hair if you want to call it, and then you're gonna start from the back to the front of your brow, filling in little strokes, and you're not gonna fill in all the way to the front. You're just gonna leave some space because you want to make it a little natural when we start blending in. So you're just gonna fill in your brow. You're not gonna make it too dark, so you just like hovering over your brow just slightly so that you get the right kind of shade. And then we're gonna go to the other one, and you're gonna go lightly, the same strokes. What I'm trying to do is just fill in the brow, trying to check if it's it looks like the other one. Yeah, so now we're gonna go in with our other tool that we use to blend out, which is the earbud. Everyone has one of those because we have to clean our ears. So what you're gonna do is start at the two lines left at the front. You're just gonna blend lightly, just blend them, and then you're gonna go closer to the darker part of the brow just to dip some more, just to make it a little like a shade, like a fade kind of effect on the brow. And then you're gonna go to the rest of the brow just to blend out. If the eye pencil left out any spaces in between the lines, then you're gonna take the clean side of the earbud, and then you're gonna clean out any excess eyebrow pencil, so, and clean out to make your brow look more neat and natural. And then we're gonna take another one for the other brow, and we're gonna start at the front, then make sure that it's nice and natural. So yeah, that's it guys, thanks for watching.